Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video, we're going to take a look how you can create a high converting Google Ads search campaign for your business, especially for air conditioner repair. So if you want to get more leads and grow your business, this video works for you. In this video, I'm going to take you step-by-step process like how you can create a Google Ads search campaign. So let's just start with the video. Currently, we are at the dashboard of our Google Ads, and from here, we will start creating the campaign. From here, we have to click on this new campaign. And then it is asking us to choose the option. And I will suggest you to choose this one, create a campaign without guidance. You will also see this pre-made templates, but I will suggest you to go with this one because we want to more manual settings, like to more control. Then we have to select a campaign type, and we are going to use the search campaign because we are going to create a search campaign. Then it is asking us to choose a conversion. So we have already set up a sign up conversion. So we are going to use this one. So I'm going to click on this continue option. Then it is asking us to select the result you want from this campaign. And if we select any of this, it will turn this campaign into another settings. Like if we select this phone call options, so it will turn this search campaign into a phone call campaign, like a call search campaign. And we don't want that. So we are going to not select any of this and let it uncheck. So click on this continue. Then it is asking us to name this campaign, and I am going to name this campaign a simple one. Let me name this campaign AC Repair and click on this continue. We are done with this one. Start new. Then on the left hand side, you will see all the process that we have to complete in order to create this campaign. From here, currently we are at the starting point where we have to select the bidding option, that what bidding section we want to use. So we are going to use this clicks. So because this is a new account, fresh account, and we don't have any data about air conditioner repair. So we are going to use the clicks so that it will collect many people's on the our landing page, and it will collect the data from there. Then we have to click on this next option. And now here we are our campaign settings. From here, you will see this network option, and here you have to make sure you uncheck both of this. Then we have to collect this. Then we have to select the location where we want to show our ads. So I'm going to use this create on advanced search. I'm going to show our ads at Melbourne City. Here, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. So click on this include and click on the save. Then we have to click on this location option as well because this is the hidden settings. From here, you will see this already selected at the presence and interested. So we are not gonna use this one. We have to select this one where it is asking us to people who are located in that our targeting location. It will show ads only to these people who are live in that area, not who are interested in that area. So yeah. We are done with the location settings as well. We let the language settings English. So we are not going to touch this one. So click on this next, and we are done with the campaign settings. So now this is a new feature called AI Max for search campaign. And because this is a new account, the fresh account, and it doesn't have any previous data, so it can use the Google's automation system to get more high quality leads. So we are not going to use this one, and we are going to let this turn off. So from here, we have to click on this next, and this is also AI settings, the keyword and asset generations. If you put your URL here, it will turn this campaign into a dynamic campaign, not a responsive campaign. So we are not going to use this one as well. So click on the skip as well. And here currently we are at our ad group level. Here we have to choose keywords, put our keywords and create an ad copy. So I have already find the keywords. So we are going to use these keywords. And if you also running a air conditioner service campaign, so you can use these keywords because I have already researched this keyword and they have the good volume. If you are running ads in the same location Melbourne. So yeah, we are done with the keyword sections, and I'm using all of these keywords at phrase match. As you can see here, I have added this quotation mark on the the starting and the end and the all of the keywords. So we are done with the keywords part as well. So now we have to create an ad copy. So first of all, we have to enter our final URL. It is like the landing page URL. So we have this landing page URL here. Paste it here. And now we have to paste our headlines and like descriptions. So make sure you have like the headlines and descriptions. I have already written this. So I'm just gonna use this one. So we have to like minimum requirement of like 3 headlines, and I have written the enough. So let me just copy paste all of this. And now we are done with the like headline sections. And I will give you one more tip. If you are writing the headlines, make sure you are using the keywords in your headlines as well. The keyword that you are targeting, make sure you add them in your headline as well, because it will improve your ad spend. Let me show you. Just like add here, like aircon repair nearly. We just add like 2, and you can see the ad stencil goes through it. So we are gonna remove this one, and if we remove this, let it like load again. And now we are gonna add a CD as well, like call us now. And yeah, we are good. Like as you can see, ad stand is average. It is better than the break before, so we are good. So now we are gonna write the description as well. So I have already written like the 3 description, here. And one more thing to consider when you are writing the like ad copy. So make sure you have like a good ad stand, because it is like indirectly or directly affect your CPC. Basically, the amount that you are going to pay for a single click. Yeah. So make sure you have a good ad stand as well. So we are done with the ad copy part. I will suggest you to add some site links as well, and your business names and logo as well, and like call out here you have to type your name. So in the this is the ad extension parts, where you have to where you can put more details about your ad, covering more space on the search. So make sure you have add a call out options where you are just adding your phone number, and here's the site links where you can add other pages of your landing page or other services page, and that will be good about for your ad. So we are done with the this ad creation part, and click on this next, and we are at the last step. So it is asking us to choose the budget. So we have to choose a budget from here, and because I located in India, so it is showing me in the Indian currency. But if you are located in Australia or US, it will show at your your local currency. So from here, I am just putting a random number 1,000 rupees, and we are done with this. And now click on this next. And now it will take some time to review your campaign. If your campaign have some error or not, if you have any error, it will show you, it will ask you to fix it. But if you don't have, then you will are good to go. So that's all for this video. And if you find this video helpful, you can now consider to like this video, subscribe our channel as well. And I will see you in the next one.